Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix there has been an error during install apps from Microsoft Store. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So first what we are going to do is we are going to check the storage. So here in the C drive, if in case you had no enough memory, please make sure you have good enough memory. So sometimes this happen, those error will be occur on the Microsoft Store. So if in case you don't have the memory, in the sense, please enter into your settings and you can delete your temp files as I shown on the video. Enter into the system and then temp files. Over here, once it loaded, you can delete the temp files of the system and the internet caches. So all those things you can delete over there to make a space on your drive. So our second step is to reset. So please press Windows R and type ws reset.exe. It automatically opens the Microsoft Store and it resets the Microsoft Store. Please have some patience to wait on it. So once it's done, please close it or it's automatically closed. After that, the third step is to enter into the services. For that, you need to search for services. Once you search and enter into the services, please enter into the Windows update. Yeah, please double tap it and you need to make it in automatic. If not, and then please apply and then click OK. So once it's done, our second service we need to edit is like Microsoft Store install service. Enter into the Microsoft install service and then enable automatic, and please stop running the program and then again please start the program. Yeah, after that please click apply and then click OK. Yeah, once it's done, please close it. After you closed, you need to search Microsoft Store and you need to enter into the app settings to reset and repair the Microsoft Store. Yeah, please click app settings. It redirect to you on settings. Here you need to click repair and then click reset, and please make sure guys, once you click reset, you need to enter your credential again to login. So our next step is to enter into the CMD as run the program as an administrator mode for scan SFC. So please click run the program as an administrator mode and type SFC space bar scan now as shown on the video, and it will take some time. Please have some patience to wait on it until it complete 100%. So once it's done, please restart your Windows and please check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, you need to type PowerShell and click run as administrator. Enter into the run as administrator mode and please copy the link or prompt in the description and paste it over the PowerShell command prompt one by one. The first pack will remove the app package, and then the second prompt will install the fresh package on your system. So please copy the link on the description to done those process. So once you're done, it automatically reset, or otherwise you need to restart your Windows. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.